Okay. On these problems, the one thing you want to make sure of if you're using a calculator, which I'm assuming most of you are, is make sure that it is in radian mode. I have a Texas Instruments 84 plus CE, and there is a button on my calculator that says mode. And when I press mode, it gives me a whole menu of things. And 1, 2, 3, fourth down on the list, it says radian, and then to the right of it, it says degree. Make sure it's set on radian, or this won't work. Because the first time I did it, my answers came out wrong, and then I was like, what did I do wrong? And then I realized, oh yeah, it's supposed to be on radians. And then the other thing is, since they're giving me cotangent, the cotangent of whatever your angle is, that is going to be the same thing as 1 over the tangent of your angle. So for me and my calculator, I do have the ability to type in a fraction. If you don't, you're going to have to type in the number 1, then type in a division sign. And let me do it that way. So 1 divided by, and then you're going to have to hit your tangent button, T-A-N, tangent button, and a parenthesis automatically shows up. And then you'll have to type in, I have to hit the negative sign on my calculator, which looks like that. And then I have a, I have a 6 pi. So I hit the number 6, and then my pi button, okay, it's a second function. So I have to hit my second button. And then for my calculator, I have to hit this because above it in blue is a pi. And then I'd have to hit the division sign again. And then I have to type in the 5. And then I would have to close my parenthesis and then hit enter. That should work. So 1 divided by tangent, and then I got negative 6 second pi divided by 5, close the parenthesis and enter, and I get negative 1.376, and then the next number is a 3. It did say round to 3 decimal places, so the 6 just stays a 6. So that's the answer to the first one. And then the second one gives me a secant, and of course secant, the secant of theta is 1 over the cosine of theta. And this one will be a little easier because it's going to be the cosine of 0.64. So if you don't have a fraction button, you have to type in the 1, then hit the division sign, then hit the cosine button, and a cosine automatically shows a parenthesis. So then you just type in the 0.64, all right? And then you're going to have to close the parenthesis and then either hit enter or equals to whatever kind of calculator you're using. And so 0.64, close it. And this one comes out to be 1.246, but then the next number is a 7. So my 6 goes up to a 7. And that's my answer there, which I already typed in, negative 1.376 and 1.247. Got them right.